The name is Usman Sani Bello. My PA and I were rushed here on the 27th of April, and obviously with excessive burns on the head, on the face, both arms, and of course my back, all the way from the very top, or the very tip of my back, all the way to the top part of the buttocks, which is pretty much quite severe. And of course, like with any fire, with a lot of smoke inhalation. And yeah, that's how it was really. Care at the ICU is unbelievable. Extremely clean. The nurses there are incredibly valuable. The nurses there are the true gems of Cedarcrest. They really were just superb. I cannot find the right word in any language to explain how good or the kind of care they showered upon us. When I say us, I'm referring to myself and of course my PA. And yeah, so having that, knowing that you're in a very clean environment, because it's extremely clean. I keep telling people that, well, you can actually eat on the floor, it's that clean. And they were very strict. Not a single member of the family was actually allowed to come in, which is how intensive care units should be anyway. This is not something we're used to here in Nigeria, to be honest. And it's not usual when you go to hospitals, and the moment you call for a nurse, and then less than a minute you see a nurse they all know what to do. ICU, because I wouldn't say much about the A&E. ICU, the ward with the nurses, and then you go down to the dressing room. The dressing room is an experience. In fact, I'm just coming from the dressing room right now. It's an experience in the sense that they know exactly what needs to be done. They are an incredible addition or asset to the hospital. Attention to cleanliness is key. The protocol observed, it's very much at the heart of Cedarcrest. Every single thing touched, it's just superb. I mean, I've been to hospitals in Dubai, although I wouldn't say I've been operated. Well, I've been operated on what I wouldn't know, but I've been to hospitals in the UK, like Cromwell. Even when family members were operated, I don't remember them the way they are. Attention to details, attention to cleanliness, and that is why I don't have a single infection in any of my wounds. Yeah, but the doctors for the follow-up are excellent, and the way they take time to explain to you, and then it's after when they explain to you, you realize that, oh, okay, that actually makes sense. They are never heavy to be seated, especially when I'm getting my burns, or I don't want to say wound really, my burns treated. There's always that care that the doctor pops in to see where we are and where we are compared to where we were, and exactly where we're heading, if need be, to change a medication, which in my case, the medication was changed. And then some sort of a miracle happened, and the wound just, with the burn, just went on some sort of a accelerated rate in healing. I have been recommending Cedarcrest to every single person that I see having a problem. I now am very comfortable, whereby I don't need to, or rather Nigerians don't need to rush to go out of country to go and actually go for any medical care. Come straight to Cedarcrest. If you have the extra funds to go for a follow-up in the UK or anywhere else in the world, well, that's entirely your opinion, your right. But to be honest, really, anything that you're looking for in terms of medical care, you can actually get it here. And may I also add that people might say, oh, maybe it's expensive, but then when you compare the cost and you compare the care and what you get and the result compared to what you get, say for example in the UK, you realize it's actually cheaper. You realize it actually makes sense for you to actually stay here and get treated. On a scale of 1 to 10, for me, I would give a 9, to be honest. I would give a 9. I cannot find fault. I mean, where else in the world would somebody come into your room and ask you, oh, are you happy with your toilet? Is your bathroom cleaned properly? Only Cedarcrest. That's why sometimes I forget to actually say Cedarcrest Hospital. Sometimes I say Cedarcrest Hotel. It has really been great, and I cannot thank the entire staff from the front gate all the way to the very top of the hierarchy, and the care showered onto not only me, myself and my PA, to get back on our feet. And I never thought that I would actually be back to normal.